Let's make my viral bacon pinwheel burger. Welcome to another episode of Boss Griddles Backyard Bosses. I'm Kara from Scale and Taylor, and if we're not already friends yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. We have this amazing community called Pit Boss Nations, and we want you to be a part of it. Well, you never know what creation is going to go viral and which one doesn't. My bacon pinwheel burger currently sitting at 45 million views, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Now, you're going to need a few things to get started. First off, you're going to need about 1 pound of regular ground beef. You're going to need some bacon. I used regular cut bacon. You could use thick or thin. I've tried it on both. You're going to need a rub. Of course, we're going to use this bold burger from Boss Griddles, and we're going to use some cheese. The original recipe had no rub, had no cheese, but we just thought, based off the comments, we'd add these in to spice things up a little bit. Today's cook, we're going to be using Boss Griddles competition series Titan to smoke these bacon pinwheel burgers. One of the comments was, now you're pinwheeling bacon into this burger. Is the bacon going to be rubbery inside? No, absolutely not. When you low and slow something, everything renders all down together, and I'm going to prove it to you at the end, so stay tuned when I bite in and just show you just how juicy, moist, and delicious these bacon pinwheel burgers really are. Let's make some bacon pinwheel burgers. Throw on your Boss Griddles Titan or whatever pellet smoker you're using to 350 degrees. Fill up that hopper with apple pellets and let's get started. I like using these apple pellets because sweet on savory just sounds perfect to me. We'll lay out our bacon slices. Next, let's add that ground beef. Adding a thin layer of ground beef onto each bacon slice. I use 2 bacon slices for me, 3 bacon slices for my husband, and if you want to have a little snackable appetizer version, you could always just use 1 and skip the bun. We're going to be using everybody's comments on what we should be adding to these bacon pinwheel burgers, so we're going to add some rub, the Boss Griddles Bold Burger. It's absolutely delicious. And then we're going to add some cheese. I've seen people use skewers when rolling these bacon pinwheels up, but you really don't have to. Throw them on the grill low and slow. It'll render all together and stick together, but you do you. So we're going to roll each bacon slice up. If you're going for 2, roll the second one onto itself. If you're going for 3, add a third bacon. I like to add a little bit more rub on top and on the sides to get on that bacon. And then that is really it. We're throwing them directly on our grill grates. Again, we're at 350 degrees. And we're going to slowly, low and slow this cook for about an hour and a half. I suggest going to an internal temperature of 145 degrees, just so you know that bacon and burger has fully render together. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell my backyard. These bacon pinwheel burgers smell absolutely delicious. Let's go grab them off the grill and dig in just how good they really are. Right, here we go. The bacon pinwheel burger. Doesn't it look delicious? I wish you could smell my backyard. All right, let's cut into it and see how it really looks. You see how you can't see any rubbery bacon inside? It looks like a regular burger. Everything has melded in between each other, but you want to know what's different? The taste. You got to try these. They're viral for a reason. Everyone's trying them. And you know what the comment I love the most? Is that once you try them, they say, I'm never making burgers the original way again. These are that good. I mean, smoky, bacon burger delight. I have a feeling it's going to be the summer of bacon pinwheel burgers. Are you going to try it? Let me know. I want to thank you for sticking around another episode of Boss Griddles Backyard Bosses, where we ran through the complete process on how to make my viral bacon pinwheel burgers. Are you going to try it this summer? I have a feeling this summer is going to be the summer of the bacon pinwheel burgers. Are you going to try it? I'd love to hear below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, everybody. This was bacon pinwheel burgers. And that's a wrap.